There are a lot of cars in the workshop. At the moment, we're inundated with work. We've got cars in from everywhere, from 3, 4, 5 hours away, from interstate, everything. We've got a lot going on here at Autotech Engineering. We are struggling at the moment, and I'm sure every workshop Australia-wide is having this problem. We're sourcing parts and availability of these parts, so we've been falling behind. And not only is that affecting us because we can't get the job out quick enough, but it's affecting us because we've got so many cars here, we're moving too many cars around, and that slows us down a bit more as well. But that's the times that we are going through at the moment with COVID. So hopefully sooner or later that'll improve and people will have a lot more stock on the shelf again. The boys are going really well. The boys are working tirelessly here at Autotech. I'm very proud of them. That's why they've all been here for a long time. And yeah, they do their best for us here, that's for sure. Customer satisfaction is very important to us. We try very hard to do the job right the first time, and if we don't, we'll rectify it. Customer satisfaction is our first priority here. That's what customer service is all about. My staff and myself, we try very hard to do the right thing and get the jobs out at a reasonable time.